Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you in Power App how to remove account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to remove account, there are two main options depending on your needs. Now in order to remove a linked account, this action deletes the account from your dashboard including all associated transactions and data. Once removed, the data cannot be restored. So in order to remove it, simply head over and open up your Empower app, then simply tap on login and be sure to be logged into your account. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the account you want to remove from your profile, and then once you do that, simply tap on the pencil icon next to the account name. And once done, all you gotta do is scroll down and then select remove, and then once done, confirm the removal by tapping remove again. Then if you want to delete your entire Empower personal dashboard account, what you need to do is just simply click down on the arrow next to your name in the top right corner and then select settings. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and select delete user account. Then enter your Empower personal dashboard account password to confirm your identity. Then simply type delete in all caps letters to confirm the deletion of your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.